one-hand typing. It works. I was actually looking for something to give to my mom so that she could use the TV as a computer screen when she's working in the dining room. And she was looking for a wireless mouse and keyboard combo, and I was given this for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So let's check it out and see what we get inside of here. All right, this thing came packed very nicely. Individually wrapped plastic bubble wrap, which is great, nice and safe. Pretty simple setup here. You open up the back here, and you've got 2 AAA batteries that need to be installed. Easy enough. We've all done that before. And one of the cool features I like about this is it has feet that kick out sideways rather than from the bottom. A lot of times I'll be using a keyboard and I'll slide it and the feet come down. So I'm hoping this alleviates that problem. I assume it will. It's your typical QWERTY YOOSO keyboard, 17 inches long, roughly the same as any other keyboard. One of the cool features here is this wrist pad that is built right into the keyboard for comfort, ergonomics. Gotta like that. The mouse itself is your typical left click, right click rollerball mouse. Works real nice and smooth. It's got some texture stuff on the side here to give you a little bit of a grip. You first get this, you're gonna open up the bottom here, pretty simple. And it takes 1 AA battery. Inside of here, when you open this up where the battery compartment is, that's where you're gonna find your USB stick that you plug into your computer that powers both of these devices. So it works off of 1 stick, which is a great feature. It comes with a set of instructions if you should need instructions to set this up, but it was pretty easy. It was a plug and play device. I took the USB stick out, plugged it into my computer, and there you go, bam. So it just plugged itself in and went. The keyboard itself has a bunch of your typical keyboard features on the top. We've got volume controls. We've got left and right, play, fast forward, all kinds of options on there if you're into that kind of thing. Personally, I'm not. I just like the keyboard to be a keyboard. The mouse itself is very smooth. Rollerball feature works great. I'm using it right now. The clickers work great. It rolls around nice and smooth. I like it. This uses 2.4 gigahertz connection technology, so it keeps a good connection for you. This has a connection range of 33 feet. Both of these devices do. At my office, I'll have clients, and sometimes we sit at a conference room table, and I use the TV as a monitor, and that's about 20 feet away, so I can see that coming in real handy in that situation. If you're looking for an affordable option for a wireless keyboard and mouse combo, check out the YOOSO keyboard and mouse combo. Worked great, easy to set up, plug and play. Check it out.